Most people get this wrong. They assume Revo is just another payday advance app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Revo has evolved into a multifunctional financial tool combining early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending management features, all designed to help you manage cash flow more effectively. Here's how Revo works. First, it allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into manageable installments over several weeks. Instead of high-interest fees, Revo uses flat, predictable charges, making budgeting simpler and reducing financial surprises. Revo also provides dashboards, reminders, and alerts so you can track spending, upcoming payments, and account activity. This makes it easier to stay on top of your finances and avoid late fees. The downside? Overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed installments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on Revo can mask underlying financial issues instead of solving them. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can repay on time. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to minimize dependence on Revo. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Revo in 2026 is a practical and convenient tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable tips to help you stay in control of your finances.